Hi guys, Steph here. Right, we've got for you another lovely pen today. Now this pen, I had a inquiry from a customer over across the pond in Canada asking me about a Sheaffer Snorkel. Long story short, I actually picked this pen up on my travels in between the Christmas period. Unfortunately, at the time, it was in a rather sorry state. All the nib, etc. inside was heavily gunked up with some kind of ink. Yeah, whether it was India ink, I'm not particularly sure, but to be quite honest with you, it took some deep cleaning to sort of revive it, if you like. And as you can see now, it's in gorgeous condition. Unfortunately, I should have done a before video, but well, I forgot. But here we have it. This is a Sheaffer Crest Snorkel fountain pen. As you can see, it comes in this lovely pastel grey. The cap, it has a gold filled cap there, as you can see, with the white dot to the very top of the cap, as you can see there. The size of this pen is 141 millimeters capped. Around the diameter of the barrel, it's around about 10.5 millimeters in diameter. It does actually have a barrel imprint. It is rather worn, but it's still legible. So, well, I'm not even quite sure if you can actually see it there. But yeah, it is legible. You can see it, and it does say Sheaffer. I think it's Sheaffer Pen Company, made in Australia. Now, for you people that don't know, as I said, this is a snorkel, and you can see just to the bottom there, it's got this knurled knob to the bottom there, which we'll show you in a moment. As I say, it was reserved by this customer, subject to, well, full restoration and service. Now, this model, well, some of you may know, some of you may not know the Sheaffer Snorkel pens. They brought them out in numerous different sort of configurations, different models, and they had different names to them, hence this one being the Sheaffer Crest. They also brought this model out in burgundy, pastel blue, pastel green, a lovely buckskin tan, a fern green, and as we've just said, in this pastel grey colour. Now, let's unscrew the cap for you. Actually, one thing I'm not showing you, although it's actually made in Australia to the bottom there, you'll see on the cap there to the bottom it says Sheaffer, and in this particular instance, made in England. Okay, so it's got a made in England cap to it, which, to be honest, in my opinion, is not unusual. I think in the period when they made these pens, which was around about 1952, I believe, through to 1959, I'm sure they used the parts that they had available. So yeah, not unusual. But as you can see, it is the correct cap for this pen. So let's take the cap off for you. Let's show you the pen in a couple of different angles, giving it a twirl. Okay, now if we go up to the sort of the business end of the pen, you can see it's got this metal thread just below the section. The section's got this lovely sort of grippable area. And again, in this, well, not again, but in this particular case, it has a 14 karat gold Sheaffer Australia, and this is the Truimph wraparound nib. And if we say wraparound, there you go, that's the reason, because it wraps around the feed. There's the feed underneath. You can see the snorkel the snorkel tube sitting just inside the feed there. So a lovely nib, as you can see there, in 14 karat gold. So as we said, it's the snorkel, which means, and again this is for you people that don't know, is what we do, we simply turn the blind cap to the bottom. Okay, I don't know if you could hear that, till we hear a little clicking noise. We pull out the tube, we dip the snorkel tube into the ink and press down in one swift movement on the plunger like so, and then what we'd do would simply turn the end until this snorkel tube retracts into the feed. So, well, rather than telling you how to do it, let's show you. So what we're going to do, as we do with all these snorkel pens, there we go, that little clicking noise, pull out the tube like so, dip it in the ink, let me look over the camera, and press down. There we go, in one swift movement, leave it for a few seconds. Okay, let's just give that a wipe. Yes, I know, and you're not supposed to, well, you're not supposed to, but that's the reason for the snorkel, is when you actually fill the pen, it leaves it nice and clean. So there we go, we draw the snorkel back into the feed. Let's bring on some paper, let's see how it writes. So what we've got is a Sheaffer, and as we said, this is the crest, and it's a snorkel fountain pen, as we said, made in Australia. Okay, I'm not going to put any pressure on because I know these particular nibs, they don't have any flex in them. As you can see, in this particular case, it's writing with a fine line. There we go. So the pen, as you can see, is writing with a fine line, writing nicely, as you can see. Very nice indeed. So at this particular point, what we're going to do, as we do in a new, in a number of these snorkels, is show you how it works. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to retract the snorkel again. Okay, we're going to empty the ink back into the bottle. Let's just do that one more time. I always advise everybody, when you're actually doing this, to do it over the ink bottle, because, well, as I've done there, there's a little bit of a blob, but not a problem. Let's bring on some water so we can actually see what is going on. So once again, we pull out the snorkel tube. You can see there, that's the reason that I tell you to do it over the bottle. There we go, because when you actually pull the the plunger tube out, in some occasions you will get blobbing like so, and it could get on your paper or whatever else you're using. But let's put the snorkel tube into the water. There we go, you can see bubbling going on. We leave it for a few seconds. Now, if I pull this tube out once again, you may see sort of ink coming out of the tube. There you go, you can see a little bit comes out, but if we press down now, look at that. So let's pull it out again, put it in the water, push down. You can see some bubbling going on. Leave it for a few seconds. Pull the tube back out. There you go. Once again, you see a little bit ink coming out. But if we press down now in one swift motion, and let's just do it one more time. Pull the tube out, in the water, press down. Bubbling, which is what we want to hear. Okay, if I pull the tube out again, there you go. Once again, be very careful because a little bit will come out. And then if we press down in one swift motion, there we go. Okay, so what we'll do now, let's just simply turn it all the way back home. The snorkel goes back into the feed. Let's pop the water to one side. And what we'll do, we'll carry on swilling it out a couple more times. And then this pen will be ready to go to the customer tomorrow in the post. So I hope you like what you see, Gary. The pen will be in the post tomorrow to you, Monday. Okay, so there we have it. A gorgeous Sheaffer Crest Snorkel fountain pen. So I hope you've enjoyed looking at the pen as much as always, as much as I like showing them to you people. Don't forget, down there, leave a comment just to the right down there. Give the video a thumbs up. Once again, people are not giving the video a thumbs up, so please do. Please subscribe as well. But for now, I'm just going to say Slavo Ukraini from this gorgeous pen, and me, I'm going to say bye-bye for now.